How to view insights on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can view account insights on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to view insights on Instagram, what you have to do is just go ahead and open the Instagram app, and then you want to make sure that you have a professional account, because Instagram insights are only available for a professional account. So if you have not yet switched to a professional account, you can watch our other videos by searching them in our channel, and I guide you on how you can switch to a professional account. After you switch to a professional account and you have gathered a couple of days of data, you'll find the option called professional dashboard over here right on your profile page. When you tap on it, you'll be able to see all of your account insights. So at the very top you can see account insights, right? You can just tap on the see all button right next to account insights to have an overview of the accounts that you've reached, that you've engaged, that the total number of followers. You'll also be able to see the contents you've shared, such as posts, stories, reels, videos, live videos, active ads, and so on. So you can basically go ahead and interact with them. You can also sort them based on the dates, such as last 30 days, last 7 weeks, or you can just go ahead and select previous month, such as last 90 days, and so on. Or you can choose a custom time frame, but as I said, you need to have professional account in order to enable this feature. This is how you can go ahead and then view insights on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.